Good morning, all of you. My name is Priyanshi Sharma from class 9th. Today I am here to discuss about different types of economic activities. First, primary. Second, secondary. Tertiary sector. There are three sectors are there. I discuss about primary sector. What is primary sector? Primary sector is sector which include natural resources like mining, fishing, and agriculture most. Let's continue with my friend Chirag.
Now, myself Chirag, I am from class 9th IIT. Today I am tell you about the secondary sector. The secondary sector include the manufacturing of goods. For example, converting the sugar cane into sugar. The other name of secondary sector is manufacturing. Now let's continue with my friend Sunny.
Now, myself Sunny from class 9th IIT and I am here to explain about tertiary sectors. Tertiary sectors includes activities like banking, financing, communication, health, education, etc. These sectors results in production of goods and services. These sectors add values to growth to national income and economic sectors had more contribution in national income than primary sectors. These sectors are very important for our economic growth and all these three sectors help in increment of our GDP. Thank you.